YouTube. So yeah, y'all know what's going on, man. What y'all know? If y'all hear that, where we in? All right, that. But nah, so look, this has coming, man. Just a afternoon POV for y'all, man. Just get y'all some pools. I had to do some stuff today, man. We got some content in today, so y'all enjoy. Yeah, y'all enjoy. This is gonna be, man, it's always traffic, bro. I hate that. I hate that, bro. It's always traffic. Well, y'all with me. We got 10 minutes together, so y'all enjoy, man. I'm gonna see what I can do to get around this traffic, if I can get around this traffic. But other than that, as of now, it don't look like we're getting around that traffic. So I'm gonna try. If I can get it open for y'all, then I'm gonna get open for y'all, which right now I think I can. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get open for y'all. Yeah, get open for y'all real quick. Let y'all see how this motherfucker coming. Shout out to everybody that's subscribing and watching the videos, man. I definitely appreciate y'all. I appreciate the support. I appreciate y'all, you know, y'all helping the guy succeed. So I appreciate anybody that helped me succeed at anything in life. Big ass truck. Yeah, so I got a 2017 Hellcat. I've had this motherfucker for about a year and 2 months now, year and 2 months. So, you know, we ain't in the second year, basically, if that's how it, you know, supposed to be said. But for the most part, man, we've done a lot in this car. This car is a reason why I got the push on YouTube for Racing Dan Rue. So that was kind of something that made me keep the car, because I was going to just, when I on my birthday this year, I was gonna trade both my cars in to get a TRACKHAWK or a TRX, but it's just like, you got two cars, you own one of them, so why do all that and put yourself into owing for one car, and you have two cars? So I just kept my cars. So with that being said, when y'all say, hey, when you get a new car? No time soon, bro. I'm not getting a new car no time soon. I have cars. I don't need, you know, yeah, but it's crazy though. Like, you know, you go from, man, y'all stay down, because you go from not having to having. You go from not growing to growing. It's just about how hard you willing to work to do whatever you trying to do. So, I mean, for the most part, I ain't no real lectorial person. I don't really be trying to give lectures and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, you know, I like to spit positivity, because I have positivity around me all the time. So it's kind of just like, I feel good. I feel like I'm giving back if I'm doing that. This motherfucker want to drive. So yeah, shit. I love having a Hellcat. I love having a Scat Pack. I wouldn't trade that. and I like Chargers. As a kid, I always wanted a Charger, so that's why I went and got the Hellcat and the Scat Pack Charger. I could have went Chally on the Hellcat, but it's just like, why? Why go Challenger? Why go Challenger? I'm too big for a Chally, I ain't gonna lie to you. I need that big body Miyagi. Yeah. Yeah, she does burble, so, or kickback, I guess you could say. Ooh, I know he mad. Well, yeah, as of right now, we are currently on the way to where we post to bay. You know, come on, man. Chevy guys, you LS fucks. I fucks with LS though. Yeah. This motherfucker is very swift. I wouldn't lie to you. It's 94 degrees outside. It said 99 earlier. I think it's because I'm riding. That's why I said 94. Because it was 99 earlier. 98 or some shit like that. It's kind of hot. If you sit outside right now, you're going to sweat. Just don't even plan on having a good outfit on. So like in Houston, ain't no, unless you really got something to do, ain't no point of wearing no nice outfit in the day. Like you gotta wait till like damn near nighttime or afternoon before you want to put that type of stuff on, because it's just, it'd be too hot. I won't lie to you. Yeah, we's in the kitty. Y'all see the kitty? Yeah, we in the kitty. Right. Oh my gosh. It's kicking back so hard. We want to get some tires this weekend. All right, so we got some car content coming this weekend to the SRT Noski channel. I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta get some content, get some tires, all my emission stickers. I'm waiting on them. The paperwork's, and then we gotta get our Arizona trips together. Those come up very soon, so we gotta get those together. As far as the content, we have a new channel coming. I kind of didn't want to start it just yet, but I am going to start it. It's the SRT Noski and Jeffy. SRT Noski and SRT Jeffy or some shit like that. I don't know what I'm going to call it like that. Noski and Jeffy. And it's just going to be Hellcat content, car content. Take Jeffy to the meets. All that type of good stuff. Like, really getting active. Because that's what everybody be wanting to see, niggas get active. I used to do all that, like drive fast and shit. I used to do all that shit, but it just ain't no point after a little while. It's like, oh shit's an accident. Police. I'm glad I didn't just fly past them because I was finna to. Ooh. I was gonna fly past them. I almost tweaked. Just for some content. Yeah. Y'all see ass going though. Yeah. But yeah, man, so like, comment, sub, man. Y'all know what's going on. I appreciate y'all.